70% of organizational transformation initiatives fail to deliver ROI. Not because leaders lack vision, but because they skip one critical step, listening to what's actually broken before trying to fix it. I've spent over 20 years reversing million-dollar deficits and leading transformations while maintaining 95% plus staff satisfaction. In this video, I'll show you the Grant framework, 5 phases that deliver measurable transformation in 90 days, not 18 months. Here's what breaks most transformations. Solution jumping, new processes before understanding what's broken. Assessment paralysis, endless analysis, no action. Misalignment chaos, each department defining success differently. Roadmap confusion, PowerPoint strategies with no execution. Launch and abandon, declaring victory with no continuous improvement. The problem isn't your team, it's skipping the critical phases of transformation. Grant is a 5-phase methodology. Each letter is a critical phase. Gather and listen. Understand current reality from multiple perspectives. Review and assess. Analyze maturity, accountability, and prioritize impact. A. Align strategically. Co-create future state with clear KPIs everyone owns. Navigate the roadmap. Build detailed plans with governance and decision gates. T. Track, trust, and transform. Continuous improvement with human oversight that sustains results. 5 phases, 90 days, measurable transformation. Phase 1. Gather and listen, days 1 through 20. Most organizations jump to solutions. The Grant approach starts with deep listening, process documentation, stakeholder perspectives, performance data, cultural signals, external factors. Real example. Increased one product offering by 70% in 1 year for global consulting firm. We listened first. The problem wasn't inefficient processes, it was lack of alignment and accountability. Listening saved us from solving the wrong problem. Phase 2. Review and assess, days 21 through 35. We assess operational maturity, accountability structures, capability gaps, risk profile, and prioritize by impact and feasibility. Real example. Multi-state workforce program. One region at maturity level 2, another at level 4. We designed different approaches for each. Both succeeded because we matched transformation to maturity. Phase 3. Align strategically, days 36 through 55. We co-create future state vision, strategic objectives, KPIs, success criteria, resource allocation, and communication plans. Everyone signs the alignment document. Real example, federal contract compliance transformation. We brought together leadership, compliance teams, frontline staff, and partners to co-create KPIs. Result? 0 audit findings because everyone understood and owned success. Phase 4. Navigate the roadmap, days 56 through 75. We build implementation sequencing, milestones with decision gates, governance structure, resource plans, risk mitigation, and change management. Real example, federal workforce contract with 3 partner organizations, weekly progress reviews, biweekly steering, clear escalation protocols. When roadblocks hit, we resolve them in 48 hours. Result, on-time delivery, full compliance. Phase 5, track, trust, and transform, days 76 through 90 and beyond. We establish continuous improvement with performance tracking, human oversight, feedback loops, trust-building practices, and sustainability planning. Real example, national nonprofit deployment, weekly reviews, monthly retrospectives with frontline staff led to 3 major improvements in 60 days. Result, 40% reduction in admin burden, $500,000 cost avoidance, 96% staff satisfaction maintained. Why 90 days? Long enough to listen, assess, align, navigate, and transform. Short enough to maintain focus, demonstrate ROI, and pivot quickly. Organizations using Grant see faster time to value, 80% plus stakeholder buy-in, audit-ready operations, documented ROI, scalability, sustained results. But most important, trust. Leadership trusts the data. Teams trust the process. Stakeholders trust their voices matter. The Grant framework. Gather and listen, review and assess, align strategically, navigate the roadmap, track, trust, and transform. Ready to transform your operations? Let's start with a 90-minute operations readiness assessment. Contact me at grantsconsultinggroup.com. Let's make transformation systematic, not chaotic.